Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys accessibility setting. And today video title is guys how to on talkback in Redmi mobile and how to use talkback. Friends, we want to on Redmi mobile phone talkback. So friends, how to on talkback and how to use talkback one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Redmi mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So when scroll it and when click here Redmi mobile is additional setting. After on additional setting friends, you can use phone date and time setting, language setting, gesture shortcuts, one-handed mode, screen recording setting. Friends, click here accessibility setting and press right side swipe and friends click here talk back and use talk back. Friends, you want to on talk back, so right side click and you can on talk back. Friends, allow option talk back on, and friends you want to use Redmi while talk back, so you can use with two finger, one finger friends you cannot use talk back. So friends, one tap double tap to activate setting, one tap double tap, one tap double tap, one tap double tap. So friends, you can use talk back with two finger, one finger friends you cannot use your Redmi mobile screen, use your two finger and you can use your Redmi mobile. You won't own any app, so guys one tap double tap and you can own app. Reset app friends, you want to close, double tap here, use your two finger and you can close, one finger friends you cannot close. So as person who is blind guys, they use talkback with sound. So guys when they click any icon friends, you can see camera. So then double click camera on, double click close camera. So friends, you want to use talkback setting, you can use with two finger, and once you don't want to use talkback setting, so swipe here, use your two finger, one finger click here setting, double tap, use your two finger friends, additional setting friends, one tap, double tap here, accessibility setting, double tap here, swipe here friends, talkback, double tap, use talkback setting friends, click here, double tap friends, continue, stop button, double tap talkback off. And friends, now you can use guys your Redmi phone without talkback, one finger you can use your mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.